Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Kim again. So now I'm going to show you the lower extremity, the foam roll workout. More focus on the glutes and onto the thighs. So for the glutes, it's very easy to get very tensed up on one side or the other depending on how the pelvis is working. And for those glutes, it's very simple with how the foam rolls should be used. All you have to do is put some weights like this onto your glutes. And for here, you can also support yourself with the other leg crossed like this and your arm supporting yourself. And you can just roll it along up and down your glutes like this. And also you can just turn your pelvis like this from side to side to find a place that you feel more tension, and you can just hold on to that, that angle for a little bit longer until you feel it release, and then go around again. And then after you've done side to side, you can move on to the hamstring. Hamstring can be very tight in a lot of people, especially when we're walking a lot, sitting a lot, that kind of stuff. And for the hamstring and the quad exercises, it's really easy. For the hamstring, you just place the foam roll like this, place your leg on top of it, and it's easier if you actually put your weights, the whole weights onto it, and roll from top to the bottom and bottom to the top and just go around like this. And if you do want to increase the intensity, you can actually put more weights onto it by putting your other leg on top of it. And you can do that for both leg for sure. And then for the IT band, which is the tension, the muscles that run from here to here, and it can get very tight as well. And for this, you have to get yourself on the side position, and you can also support yourself with the other leg like this. And because IT band runs from here to here, you can go from down onto where the knees are and roll it up, and you'll feel different parts that has really like a lot of tension. Just hold that position for a couple seconds and then move and move and move and go around and around for a couple times, and do that for both sides as well. For quads, because they're up at the front, place the foam roll here, and you have to place yourself on top of the foam roll, and you just roll around like this and hold on to the parts where it's causing more of that tension, and let it release and go up and down and up and down like this. And then I'm going to show you two different moves that you can do with the calf muscles and the muscles up at the front. And because we're walking a lot and be on our feet a lot, these muscles up at the front can also get very tight as well. So for those, place the foam roll down. You have to put your lower leg on top of it like this, and just roll back and forth and back and forth. And then for lastly with the calf, run it from your ankle all the way up here, and you can just go around like this. And to increase the intensity, you can also put some weights onto it by putting your other legs on it, or you can also have somebody just put a little bit more pressure down onto the calf as you're doing it as well. Oh, and one last move that I do want to show you is to work on these inner thigh muscles. Those are very easy, and it's very effective on those that have knee issues or stiffness around here. And for that, all you have to do is place the foam rolls in between the legs, and just put light pressure in between like this, and just push your legs together like this, and just hold on to that, let it move, and be in this motion from top to down. And that's going to be really helpful in working on the adductor muscles, and that will help you loosen up a lot of that tensions up on the neck, on the knees as well. All right, bye.